Hello and welcome to WebJack. In this video today I'm going to show you step by step in detail the easy and excellent process to find legally and profit other people's video without getting any copyright strike. That is an easy and excellent way to make money on YouTube in 2019. Even without creating your own videos. Let's get started. So you can download and re-upload another people's video and make money with YouTube, adding Google AdSense, and you can even add affiliate links in description to earn more commission. How you can do this? So let's get into it. So you need to know, in order to get started with YouTube and make money, you will need active YouTube account with Google AdSense connected, video download service or video download software, video editing software, video thumbnail creator software. And don't worry, I will provide links for everything you need to get started. For example, if you want to start your YouTube channel with weight loss niche, so just type here weight loss. So you got all this video related to weight loss niche. If you download this video and re-upload to your channel, you will get strike. So we have the way to use this video using Creative Commons. Avoid the video ad sign out. So let's filter it right here. Click on Creative Commons. So these are all videos. The video creator let use another people and re-upload it. I am recommending that you do not use the complete video. You download each video separately, take some part from one, take some part from another, and make the different video with a different title and different thumbnail and using different description. You need to copy and check it out and then edit the description and make the complete new video. So then your video can rank on YouTube. Also, you need to check, even if we clicked on Creative Commons, these are all came right here. But you need to remember, click on the video, then click on Show More. Then you have to read the license. Creative Commons Attribution License, reuse allowed. Then you can download this. So how you can download this video? Click on share and use this link to download the video. I will provide link of the site that provide free download video. Now let's check another video. click show more. This also reuse allow, so you can use this. Show more. Creative Commons reuse allowed. Sometime what happened, some people re-upload the video that is not for Creative Commons and they post it as a Creative Commons. And if you click on this one and if you don't see this license here, do not use it. You will be in big trouble. So if you want to make money on YouTube, you will love this video, because this method does not require you to create your own video. So it's super easy. This is a perfect for someone who wants to get started on YouTube and build a big profitable channel. One thing you find harder when you start this channel, because back in the days anyone just start YouTube channel and get monetized and start making money instantly. Not anymore. With this new YouTube policy change to minimum 10,000 views, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hour in the past 12 months in order to get monetized. It sounds a lot harder, but if you are uploading video quite aggressively, like at least one video per day, you can get there within few months. More video you upload, more faster you can reach your goal. So that's it for today. And now you got the idea how you can download and upload other people's video by editing and make money on YouTube. And if you still have any question, please ask me in comments below and I will respond it to you as soon as possible. I hope that you enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. See you later next time.